Hello everyone, today, we will be discussing the role of genetics in disease development. Our genetic makeup, represented by the DNA inherited from our parents, plays a crucial role in determining our health and predisposition to certain diseases. There are two main types of diseases related to genetics: genetic disorders and common diseases. Genetic disorders are conditions caused by mutations or errors in the genes inherited from our parents. These conditions can be severe and potentially life-threatening, such as cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, and phenylketonuria. On the other hand, common diseases, like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, are often the result of multiple genetic and environmental factors working together to cause the disease. Our genes also determine our immune system response, which can predispose us to certain infections and autoimmune diseases. For example, people with the HLA-DR4 gene may have a higher risk of developing sarcoidosis, an inflammation of the lungs caused by an unknown trigger. Additionally, the genetic makeup can influence our response to medications, which may result in different side effects or effectiveness. It is important to note that while genetics plays a significant role in disease development, it is not the only factor. Nutrition, environment, lifestyle, and other factors also contribute to our overall health and disease risk. In conclusion, understanding our genetic makeup and the role it plays in disease development can help us take control of our health by making positive lifestyle choices and early detection and treatment of potential issues. As technology continues to advance, we may also see the development of personalized medicine, where individual genes and susceptibilities to diseases can be further explored and targeted for treatment. Thank you for listening, and remember, your health is shaped by many factors, including your genetic makeup. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more education on human health and diseases.